everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about wild rice and specifics on what to do with it. Wild rice has been used in American cuisine, in baked goods even, in casseroles, crepes, frittatas, Midwestern American cuisine, Native American cuisine. Put it in omelets and pancakes and waffles, pilafs, salads, soups, and stuffings. Now I have some suggested flavor combinations that may help you out here. You could combine wild rice with beets and orange. Sounds interesting. With brown rice and nuts. That really sounds like a good combo. With cinnamon and orange zest. That's an interesting way to flavor it. Dates and pecans. With fruit like apples, dates, dried cherries or cranberries, and raisins, plus nuts like almonds, pecans, pine nuts, and walnuts. So again, that's combining wild rice with fruit and nuts, okay? How about combining it with garlic and spinach? Now that's an interesting one that might be worth trying. Or combining it with pine nuts, mushrooms, and spinach. Or with scallions and walnuts. That actually sounds good to me. Well, I do hope these suggestions will give you some ideas of something new to try. Let me know if you have some other ideas to do with wild rice. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.